Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're going to draw one of the most elegant characters in the Mario universe, Princess Rosalina, together with her adorable little friend Luma. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep creating fun drawing tutorials for everyone. So grab your favorite drawing supplies, get comfy, and let's begin. Let's begin by drawing Rosalina's left eye. We won't draw the right eye because it will be hidden behind her long bangs later. Add her beautiful eyelashes to give her that soft and graceful expression. Draw the delicate eyebrow above the eye. The other eyebrow will also stay hidden beneath the hair. Now add her tiny, elegant nose with just a simple curved line. Draw her small lips, almost forming a little heart shape. And remember, whenever a step becomes a little more detailed, feel free to pause the video and draw at your own pace. Let's add the visible ear. Shape the face with soft cheeks and a slightly pointed chin. From this point on, I'm using a slightly thicker outline. Feel free to do the same by increasing your brush size or choosing a thicker marker. Now draw her long side bangs flowing gracefully across her face and covering one eye. Continue with the top of the hairstyle, creating a smooth, rounded shape that almost resembles a heart. Add the pointed side lock and the hair falling beside her shoulders. We'll finish the rest of the hair later. Now draw Rosalina's unique earrings, shaped like tiny rays of light. Princess Rosalina first appeared in Super Mario Galaxy, released for the Nintendo Wii in 2007. She watches over the cosmos from the Comet Observatory, traveling through space with the Lumas. Now draw the crown. Add the colorful jewels decorating the crown to complete its royal appearance. Great! Now let's move on to the body. Draw the neck and her elegant off-the-shoulder neckline. Lumas are star-like creatures that can transform into many different objects throughout the Mario Galaxy games. Rosalina's storybook, found in Super Mario Galaxy, is considered one of the most emotional stories ever told in a Mario game. Shape the upper body, then add the beautiful lines that form the ballroom-style dress. Now draw the star-shaped brooch decorating the front of her dress. She's looking absolutely beautiful already, isn't she? Unlike most princesses in the series, Rosalina is portrayed as calm, wise, and motherly. Next, let's work on the arms. Both sleeves are long and become wider toward the ends. We'll position both hands gently resting together in front of her body. If you're enjoying the tutorial so far, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you'd like to learn how to draw even more Mario characters, just click the card above and explore our complete Mario playlist. Also, let me know in the comments which character you'd like to see next. Draw the delicate hands, with the left hand resting softly over the right one. We switched back to a thinner brush here because it makes drawing fingers much easier. Now, let's draw Rosalina's magic wand. Start with the simple star-shaped tip, then add the thin handle. Rosalina eventually became a playable character in Mario Kart, Mario Party, Super Smash Bros., and many Mario sports games. Her signature wand is known as the Star Wand, which she uses to guide and protect the Lumas. Although she lives among the stars, Rosalina remains one of the most beloved princesses in the entire Mario universe. Next comes the large, flowing skirt of her dress. Draw the rounded bottom edge of the dress with the inverted V opening in the center. Since she's floating, the dress curves beautifully underneath her. Now add the petticoat that becomes visible through the opening of the dress. Draw her tiny feet wearing elegant high heels. Since Rosalina is floating, her feet won't touch the ground. Our Princess Rosalina is absolutely shining in this elegant floating pose. Let's finish the hair, extending the long, flowing strands past her waist with soft, curved tips. Now it's time to draw our little friend, Luma. Fortunately, this part is nice and simple. Begin with Luma's cute oval eyes. For the colors, we used soft turquoise tones for the dress, light blonde hair, silver for the crown, yellow for Luma, and gentle pink tones for the skin. But remember, you can color your drawing any way you like and make it uniquely yours. Draw the body almost like a teardrop shape, adding the tiny, adorable feet. Finish with the rounded little arms, completing Luma's charming star shape.
And here's our Princess Rosalina and her adorable Luma. They turned out elegant, magical, and absolutely ready for another adventure across the stars. I hope you had fun drawing along with us today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!